Now that you finally got the sofa that you've been thinking about, shopping, picking out your fabrics, where you're going to put it, now the next step. How in the world do you keep that beautiful sofa clean? Well, I'm going to introduce you to a product that I very much believe in and have used many times. It's called SUDS. It comes in a little 8-ounce tub. And what makes this product so great is, first of all, well, it smells great. Come to the counter, we've got it, we'll let you sample it. But it's a water-based, biodegradable cleaning product that, in my 15 years here at Room to Room, has proven to be the best all-around cleaner that I've ever seen. We use it to clean leather, fabric, even the walls and door casings where people are always handling them. It takes that stuff off with ease. How do you use SUDS? Well, you can use it directly. What it is, it's paste. You can scoop it right up, rub it into soiling. It gets everything out. Ballpoint pen, lipstick, grease. I've even seen it get out hair dye and other things. Of course, your results may vary depending on the fabric that you're trying to clean, but this is a great first stop to try to keep your furniture looking great. How do you use it? Well, you can just scoop out the concentrate, put it directly on the stain, and of course you don't want to just go team ramrod on scrubbing it, but you can take your fingernails and go side to side. That helps to work the soap into the stain without disturbing the fabric too much. Then what you can do is take a clean white t-shirt or terry cloth, dab it off of there. If you have a lighter stain, what you can do is use a teaspoon of this product, put it in about a half a cup of water, microwave it for 30 or 40 seconds. It'll turn into that'll help it to melt into the water. Pour that into a spray bottle and then pull the rest of it, fill the rest up with regular water, 16 ounces per teaspoon. And we use these 32-ounce ones because we clean a lot. So of course you put 2 teaspoons heaping into this full container of water. With this, you just spray it on. And what I've seen done before is you just use the nozzle to agitate your fabric. And that keeps from disturbing the fabric too much, works the soap in, cleans it up great. This is especially good for is fabrics that have a W or a WS, which means they're water soluble. And when you use clean water soluble fabrics, it doesn't mean go to the tap and run some water and put it on there. That is a recipe for disaster. Our water in the South is so hard. All using tap water guarantees is that it's going to have a mineral stain that is going to be extremely hard to clean off. But when you mix even your hard tap water with SUDS, it prevents that water ring and it gets your stain out beautifully. So don't go straight for tap water for stains. Go for something like this, SUDS, which is mild, biodegradable, safe. It will do a great job of getting your upholstery, leather, all that stuff clean. In fact, I've even used it on my wife's white leather seats. Took years off of them, got the grime off. They look beautiful. Feel free to use SUDS on just about any surface. Of course, if you're really worried about it, try an area that doesn't show first just to be sure. And I know you're gonna love this product as I have. I give it to my relatives and friends when they come and visit, and they call me in about 6 months and go, hey man, where do we get more of this stuff? You can get it here at Room to Room, $19 for a 8-ounce tub. This stuff lasts for months and months. It can also be used in laundry, getting ring around the collar. Any tough stains, pre-treat it with SUDS, let it sit for 30, 40 minutes, throw it in the wash, you're good to go. I can't say enough good about this product. It is extremely good at getting stains out without leaving a bunch of residue. Come see us at Room to Room. Ask for SUDS at the front counter.